In this multiple choice question, from the given option, they are insisting us to specify the correct option narrating the first human hormone produced by the rDNA technology or recombinant DNA technology. For this, we are specifying insulin is the correct option. Why? Because insulin is having the credential to reduce the high blood glucose level in diabetic patient. So they made humalin or human insulin for the first time by using genetically engineered Escherichia coli. This insulin hormone is used more frequently in most of the countries for treating the diabetic patient. With this specification, we choose an option A as the correct answer. We are ignoring option B, C, and D. What are the points we told with this pictorial representation? We are giving again back the given information as a recap to take the neat notes. Among the first item made in bacteria using rDNA technology were hormones obtained from mammalians. The first example are human growth hormone and insulin. So we choose an option A as a correct answer. Human growth hormone, they are not given in none of the option. They given only insulin. So we choose an option A as a correct answer to secure 4 mark.